If you are looking for the best cat nail cap, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. YMCCOOL 100 PC's Cat Nail Caps. This cat nail caps adopted premium natural vinyl resin material, soft and comfortable to wear. Not affect the normal expansion and contraction of the cat, the majority of cats can adapt quickly. The adhesive glue has passed the Europe MSDS certification, safe and no toxic. Reduce the potential for damage due to your cat's scratching behavior by applying to paws. Protecting against damage to household surfaces, floors, doors, screens, walls, and furniture protects you from scratches as well. Cat nail tips only for cat use. There are 10 different colors in the package. Number 2. VICTHY 100 PC's Soft Pet Cat Nail Caps. If one of your top nail cap criteria is variety, then VICTHY's cat nail caps will work for you. With 100 pieces and around a dozen color, style selections, you will be able to find a combo that you love. VICTHY's nail caps and adhesive glue have passed the EU's SGS environmental certification, ensuring they are non-toxic and safe for your kitty. These caps come in 4 sizes that fit cats ranging from 1 lb to 22 pounds. The different sizes will help you find a perfect fit for your cat, since nail sizes and comfort can vary between kitties. Number 3. Zetpo 100 PC's Cat Claw Caps. For the budget-minded consumer, check out Zetpo's soft nail caps. Zetpo supplies 100 claws with the glue and applicators, and the claws come in 5 different randomly assorted colors. Zetpo also offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee if the caps are not to you or your cat's liking. Zetpo soft nail caps come in 4 different sizes for cats ranging from 5 pounds to 16 plus lbs. But do not specify how old your kitten must be before safe application. We recommend checking with your vet before using these on your kitten. Number 4. Soft Claws Blue Cat Nail Caps. Soft Claws Blue Cat Nail Caps are an excellent choice for cat parents looking for a simple set of nail caps to prevent destructive scratching. These nail caps come in a stylish blue color and are available in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The Feline Take Home Kit includes 40 nail caps, adhesive, 6 applicator tips and instructions. They also feature a cleat lock system that offers improved grip. These nail caps prevent furniture and carpets from being ruined by scratching. Number 5. Brostown 100 PC's Soft Pet Cat Nail Caps. The Brostown XS nail caps are a quality product that provides sizes small enough for your new kitten. These will fit most kittens starting at 3 to 4 months old. Each package comes with 100 nails in 5 different colors, and all are solid color nails, so no glitter or sparkles. Brostown also provides 3 more sizes for your larger kitties if you are pleased with the XS caps. Don't worry if your kitten tries to bite off her new nails, as both the caps and the glue are safe and non-toxic.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.